always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello. Hi. Let's count to 10 together. Ready? Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's count down from 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we're done. Blast off!
Hello, friend. It's so good to see you. Let's see what everyone's doing. Everyone's painting. Look, they've already painted 4 paintings. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 paintings. Let's count together.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 paintings. 4 is a number. Say 4.
4.
That's exactly right. Let's make 4 our number of the day.
Let's do the monkey dance. Yay! Yeah! There's a brand new dance you need to count. To do each move the right amount. There's a special number, the number 4. Come on and count with me. Get ready to do everything 4 times. Clap 4 times. Nod 4 times. Point 4 times. March 4 times. I knew I could count on you. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on, everybody, do the monkey dance. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on and dance with me.
Let's count together.
4.
There are 4 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now count them with me.
1, 2, 3, 4.
How many apples in all?
4.
Yeah! Come on, Wigglebugs, snack time.
Let's count together. 4. There are 4 Wigglebugs. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many Wigglebugs in all? That's right! Let's take their pictures! Say cheese! Thank you for helping me take that picture.
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called What Will Happen? In this story, a little girl named Sunny is full of questions. Let's see what she wonders about. Let's begin. What Will Happen? Written by Varsha Sishan, illustrated by Vivekananda Roy Ghatak. What will happen if I press my belly button? Flat Sunny can slide under the door. What will happen if I eat all these tomato seeds? Whoosh! Come and see Sunny, the tomato girl. What will happen if I take a deep, deep breath? I'm Balloon Sunny! Bounce and roll, bounce and roll, bounce, bounce, roll, roll. What will happen if I close my eyes tight, tighter, tightest? Zap! I'm invisible, Sunny. No one knows I'm here. What will happen if I pull my ears and stretch them out? Whee! I'm flying, Sunny, soaring with the birds. Shh! Don't tell anyone about Flat Sunny, Tomato Girl, Balloon Sunny, Invisible Sunny, or Flying Sunny. One day, all my powers will make me Super Sunny, and I will save the world. The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog!
Look what I have today. Now, who remembers what this is called?
A keyboard!
That's right! And my keyboard makes all kinds of sounds. What's this?
A dog!
And this?
A car horn!
And how about this?
Rain!
You've got good ears.
Mr. Frog, why would you want to make rain sounds on your keyboard?
That's a good question. Today's song is called Rain, Rain, Go Away. So I thought we should start it with some rain sounds. Let's give it a try. I'll sing first, and then you can all join in. Rain, rain, go away. Come again some other day. Mr. Frog wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Now then, who else wants to play? Okay, Fox, tell me the name of a friend.
Monkey!
Splendid! Let's sing the song together, and we'll use Monkey's name. Here we go!
Rain, rain, go away. Come again some other day. Monkey wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
Monkey, whose name do you choose?
I think Pig wants to play.
Okay, let's sing about Pig.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again some other day. Pig wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
Pig, who shall we sing about next?
Hedgehog!
Splendid! Here we go.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again some other day. Hedgehog wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Now we need to sing about Fox.
Yes, we do. Let's sing about Fox.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again some other day. Fox wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Mr. Frog, it sounds like we all want to play.
Our special friend wants to play too.
Okay, this time sing All Our Friends Want to Play. Ready?
Rain, rain, go away. Come again some other day. All our friends want to play. Rain, rain, go away.
That was wonderful.
Thank you, Mr. Frog.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
Hey, everybody! Let's practice our letters by playing the alphabet game. I want to hear you, too. Let's all play the alphabet game. When I show you a letter, say its name. Are you ready?
Yeah!
What's this letter?
O!
What's this letter?
C!
What's this letter?
Q!
What's this letter?
G!
Now let's do it fast.
O! C! Q! G! Q! O! G! C! G! O! Q! C! O! Q! C! G!
Nice work, everybody. That's how you play the alphabet game. When you see a letter,
You say its name! The letter G! Look what I see! A wiggle bug! Let's watch it bounce. Let's pretend to be wiggle bugs too. A bling a bling a bling a bling. Bling a bling a Hello, little wiggle bug. I think it's asleep. Bye.
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. Let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye. Goodbye.
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen.
a tisket, a tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it. I dropped it. I dropped it. Yes, on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket. dropped it, I dropped it, yes, on the